Is the folding iPhone Apple's make-or-break moment for 2025? John Ternus is stepping into Tim Cook's massive shoes as Apple's new CEO, facing a dramatically different landscape dominated by AI and hardware innovation. The pressure is intense for Ternus, a hardware engineering veteran, to deliver game-changing devices. Analysts are buzzing about a highly anticipated folding iPhone, Apple smart glasses, and even a new smart home hub rumored for release. Viewers keen on Apple's next big thing should check the description for potential links to these future products as soon as they become available. Success hinges not just on launching these gadgets, but on perfecting deeply integrated personalized AI like enhanced Siri within them. If the rollout of these new devices, especially the groundbreaking folding iPhone, isn't flawless, Ternus could face a rocky start. This dramatic shift requires navigating complex manufacturing challenges and redefining Apple's product strategy. The future of Apple and its legacy as a global tech leader truly rests on Ternus's ability to innovate and execute in this new era.